Hey guys, today I'm going to prove to you whether the 500 free MBs of Airtel work or not. In the previous video, I shared with you the code which you can use to get these 500 free MBs. So if you don't know that code, there's a link down in the description. You can click on it and you'll be able to know that code. Like me, I've already loaded up my data bundle, as you can see there, or I can check and you see my data balance here. As you can see, I have already 500 MBs, but how does this data work? So Airtel keep on giving me these free 500 MBs on every month like that. But how does this data bundle work? So the bitter truth is this data bundle does not work on any social media platform. So where does this data bundle work? This data bundle, it only works on this app right here. This app, it's where it works. This is the app where you can use these 500 free MBs. This app is called Easy Agric Endless Farming. This is Agric Farmers app. It's the app where you can be able to use these 500 MBs of data. So how does this app operate? This app is an app for farmers. So if you're a farmer or you enjoy agriculture, you can load on this data every month. You can be able to buy your agriculture products from here. You can be able to sell your agriculture products from here. So everything here, you can be able to do any agriculture things here. As you can see, this is my app, so I can be able to order anything I want, or I can be able to sell any of my produce. So if you're a farmer and you have some produce you would want to sell or you would want to buy, you can use this app to be able to sell those products. So Airtel keeps on giving you that free 500 MBs such that you can be able to use this app.